what's going on everyone? This is your host Manik. Welcome to another video on this channel. Well, after a really long wait, I finally have it, the Oneplus Nord. And if you have been following my videos, I've been a full-time OnePlus 6 user since last 2 years or so, and not even once I was let down by it. To be honest, the device has aged so well only because of frequent updates plus a variety of custom ROMs available for this device. And as you guys already know, devices with Snapdragon 865 are still really unaffordable. So I decided to buy this one for you. In case some of you want a newer OnePlus device without spending a fortune, this OnePlus Nord might be the only good option in this price segment. So in this video, let's do a quick unboxing and have a look at the first impressions of OnePlus Nord from the eyes of a OnePlus 6 user. But wait, before we start, do make sure you click on that subscribe button and press the bell icon next to it, so that you can be the first one to know when a new video arrives. So let's start off with the unboxing experience first. Just like every OnePlus device, you get a sturdy and premium looking box that counts for a good unboxing experience. First of all, we get the device itself in this grey onyx color. Let's keep that aside for now. Apart from that, we get a good quality silicone case for the device, which should be enough to protect it from daily wear and tear. You also get some paperwork and Nord stickers in the box, plus this good looking red cable club card, and you can join that from a OnePlus device easily. Rest, you get a 30W fast charger or warp charger and a premium quality Type-C cable. And the older one that I have is still working fine even after more than 2 years now, and I can assure you this one will too, only if you handle with care obviously. Let's power on the device first and go through the specs in the meantime. So the OnePlus Nord has a 6.4-inch AMOLED display with a refresh rate of 90Hz, with these dual punch-hole selfie cameras, the primary one being a 32MP sensor and the secondary ultra-wide is an 8MP sensor, and both front and back have Gorilla Glass 5 protection. You also get an optical in-display fingerprint scanner with this device, and on the back you get this quad camera setup that has 48MP primary camera, an 8MP ultra-wide, a 5MP macro and a 2MP depth sensor. Under the hood, you have a Snapdragon 765G octa-core processor with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of UFS 2.1 storage, along with the Reno 620 GPU. So the device is powered up finally. Setting it up quickly, we get these new live wallpapers, and coming from a 60Hz display, I can surely feel the difference in overall smoothness. The device feels more responsive and I might get addicted to it. Also, if you were worried about the tinting issue, well, it's just not there with my unit. Maybe they have fixed it or something, and you can see even on low brightness it's just not there. So no complaints with the display so far. It looks great. Coming to the cameras, well, I took some images with the primary camera of this device, and they do look great. The colors are sharp, and since this sensor is same as that of OnePlus 8, you get some similar looking shots. But as reported by other YouTubers, the final output isn't that similar. I got a software update on this device as soon as I powered it up, and I did not do it because I wanted to see the difference this update will make to the cameras. Also, here are the images from ultra-wide angle camera of this device, and they look average to good given good lighting, but it could have been better. I also felt that it was unable to focus quickly, so that is something this update will fix. Rest, the macro camera is okayish at best and gives inconsistent results most of the times. It's a gimmicky camera, but okay, people are not even going to use it, as the primary sensor can give better macro shots. And I won't talk about the depth sensor, it's just there saying hi to all of you and doing nothing much. Coming to gaming and overall performance, well, if you consider playing PUBG on this device, well, I think it's really bad that we don't have smooth extreme support for this device. The game felt jittery in Ultra, plus I could see frame drops here and there, whereas even my 2-year-old OnePlus 6 supports it. Also, if you were thinking that it's the processor, I assure you it's not, as Vivo devices with similar ones have smooth extreme support out of the box. I could really feel the difference with GFX tool, and the device gave me a really good experience finally. So OnePlus needs to fix this ASAP. Rest, the gameplay was fine, but I'm still testing it out. So here are the Geekbench scores of OnePlus Nord. In single core department, it scored 616 points, and in multi-core department, it scored 1941 points, which is quite a decent score. In day-to-day performance, you won't feel any issues at all because that 8GB of RAM along with Snapdragon 765G are more than enough to help you with that. The in-display fingerprint scanner is also quite fast and responsive, though it takes a bit more time than a physical one, but the convenience it offers is much more. As compared to OnePlus 6, it feels a lot snappier in general usage, but I have some doubts that the OnePlus Nord can match it in gaming department. So if you need a comparison of both these devices, do let me know in the comment section down below. So these were my first impressions with the OnePlus Nord, and I don't have much complaints so far apart from graphic settings in PUBG. You will be getting a lot of content about this device really soon, so stay tuned and subscribe if you haven't already, and do like this video if it helps you out. So this is Manik signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.